These are my hiccups.
No. I didn't think so.
Next Tuesday. To find the truth.
You knew my dad?
The men who took him down,
They were corrupt cops.
we will have to break all the rules.
Listen, these guys take it down more than me.
No FBI?
No,
Neil, what are you doing?
It's a lot of energy to hiccup up like this. It hurts.
Only on USA.
And I'm getting out of breath.
Covert Affairs on USA.
Previously on Covert Affairs. I'm sending you back to the... This mission isn't dead yet.
Langley has asked me to evaluate your well-being in the field.
Who ordered the assessment? I can't marry you. Permission is back. We'll begin there.
Okay, we'll go enjoy the rest of my hiccups now. Peace.